Hi, so today I'm going to guide you how you can manifest your partner with a simple 5 steps. But before we start, you need to understand what exactly manifestation is. Manifestation means whatever you will think that will come true. So manifestation means even your fears also come true. So make sure that whatever you are thinking, so the best part of the Kali Yuga is whatever you will think you will become. So in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step how you have to manifest your partner. And this is a very simple step. Only one thing that has been required is trust, faith, and integrity. So the first step, if you want to manifest your partner, you have to see which type of partner you want. You should be clear in your thoughts, like which type of partner you want to attract. Here, the characteristics can't be materialistic. Materialistic is something like you want to attract a rich partner. So for that, you have to take your vibrations at that level to attract the rich partner. So here I'm talking about the characteristics of the person, how you want your partner to be like you want a caring partner, you want that partner to respect you, or any specific thing like you want a vegetarian partner, you want your partner to be into spirituality. So any type of characteristics that you want in your partner, you have to write down in your notebook, and you should clear with this characteristics. Characteristics doesn't include any materialistic things. You can't write I want a rich partner. Rich partner, you will be able to attract only the rich partner if you vibrate at that level. Then only you will end up attracting a rich partner. If you are not vibrating at that level, it will be difficult for you to attract a rich partner. So first you have to write down the characteristics of your partner, which type of partner you want to attract in terms of the characteristics. You want a vegetarian partner, you want your partner to be into spirituality, you want your partner to respect you, or you want your partner to you want to travel. Now the second most important step is holding your thoughts. That is called the visualization. The science has proven that if you hold your thought daily for 60 seconds, then you will notice you will end up attracting that things. But make sure that sometimes people hold negative thoughts too. That is your fears. Your fears can also come true. So you should be clear with your thoughts, and you have to visualize in such a way in the form of the picturization. What you have to do, you have to sit in silence. You have to take a deep breath in, and you have to hold your thoughts till your navi. You have to hold your thoughts till your navi for 60 seconds. During that time, you have to make a picture in your mind that you are already getting married to that person. How you are looking like, how you want your marriage to be like. Try to see your surroundings in that picture, your smiling face, your caring partner. You have to visualize the same picture daily throughout the day for at least 3 to 4 times. You have to visualize the same picture. It will hardly take 60 seconds of yours daily, but make sure that picture should be clear, no blurriness, no black clouds, nothing like that. If the picture is not clear in your mind, if it is blurred, any type of negative thoughts are coming when you are visualizing this picture, that means it will be difficult for you to attract that partner. So make sure that you are clear with your thoughts, you are clear with your visualization, same picture again and again. Third most important step is you have to manifest one thing at one time. You can't manifest multiple things at one time. So the first and the second step is very important. You should be clear with your goals. Second, the visualization, same picture again and again. Three important time that you have to do it. One, before you sleep, before you are sleeping, you have to you go to sleep or you're about to sleep, you have to visualize this, hold for at least minimum 60 seconds. And when you're about to wake up, then make sure that when you're about to wake up daily, you have to visualize this 60 seconds daily, the same picture. And throughout the day, you can just visualize this 2 or 3 times. You will notice, like, gradually and slowly you will be started getting opportunities related, you will be started getting proposals. And if you are already in relationship with someone, so some or the other clarity you are going to get in the relationship. Fourth, that is the most important thing, when you are manifesting anything, then there should be no thoughts. If you have an overthinking problem, you have an anxiety problem, you become panic so easily, then you can't manifest anything. So for the fourth step, if you have an overthinking problem, you can't let go your past, or you overthink a lot, you have anxiety or depression, then make sure that the meditation link has already been shared in the comment. That is called breath work meditation. You have to do this daily before you sleep and then go to sleep. Do this continuously for 45 days. You will notice no thought situation. Fifth and the most important thing is like you have to start paying gratitude. Daily, you have to say thank you so much, universe, for my loving and caring partner. Stop cripping, stop complaining about your relationship, about your partner. Instead, start paying gratitude. Say daily thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, for my beautiful married and happy relationship. Share this video with your loved one.